Now, former Social Development Minister Bathabile Dlamini will learn her fate this morning. The Johannesburg Magistrate's Court expected to hand down a sentence after she was found guilty of perjury. It's in relation to lying under oath during an inquiry in 2017. Linda Mnisi is outside court and joins us now live. And Linda, we've spoken to some legal experts on the program this morning who believe that not only the behavior at the 2017 inquiry, but certainly Bathabile Dlamini's behavior during the course of this trial means that she may well face a term of imprisonment today.
And well, Michelle, the big question is what exactly the sentence will be for the former Social Development Minister Bathabile Dlamini, given the fact that another thing that was said or placed by the state in this matter, especially because the sentence proceedings started on the day that she was convicted of this crime. What was said by the state was that, the court shouldn't go on the line of leniency when looking at her sentence, given the fact that she is a repeat offender. You'll remember in 2006, she was convicted of fraud, and that's in relation to the travel gate, having, abused parliamentary travel vouchers. She, together with the then ANC MPs and former MPs. So in that matter, she paid a fine of about 120,000 rands, and that's what the state is listing as its aggravating circumstances in this particular matter. But the defense is saying here, Michelle, that the court should not even consider that particular conviction, given that it's been 15 years and she's remained clean throughout the 15 years. But the argument then that followed was that there was that charge or that conviction was not expunged. There was no legal process to officially expunge it, which means she still remains a previously convicted person who is listed as part of having been, previously convicted of a crime. So the big question now is which direction the court is likely to take, because even in this matter, Michelle, she did not take the stand. And if you look at even the inquiry and how it described her testimony, saying that it was evasive, most of the time she answered questions with, I don't know, I don't remember, when she could have given clarity. It's along the same lines that we heard in this court in terms of how she could have gotten onto the stand and explained what exactly she meant, given the fact that a lot of people stood to lose their social grants. A number of people in this country depend on, those social grants. So her behavior really in this matter, the state saying that should not also be a thing that is taken lightly.
Yeah, certainly. Linda Mnisi, thanks very much indeed for that update. Live to us there from the regional court in Johannesburg, where Bathabile Dlamini is set to be sentenced today.